Hello, I'm Officer Wilson and your school resource officer for the City of La Palma. I'd like to give a shout out to all the schools I patrol: JFK, Walker Jr., Luther, Miller, and Los Coyotes. With me today is Officer Miranda, and we're going to go over the significance of Red Ribbon Week and what we can do to support a drug-free La Palma. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic and social distancing protocols, our annual Red Ribbon Challenge has been canceled this year. We understand how important the event is to our youth and members of our community. These are tough times, but we hope all of you are doing well and your part to stay safe. We hope by next year this is behind us and we can all enjoy and participate in the 2021 Red Ribbon Challenge here at La Palma Central Park. Even though this year we'll not be having the Red Ribbon Challenge, we thought it was important to still deliver you the message, and that is to be drug-free.
I'm sure all of you have heard of Red Ribbon Week and know how it first started. For those of you who don't or need a reminder, Red Ribbon Week started after the death of DEA Special Agent Enrique Kiki Camarena, who in 1985 was brutally murdered by drug traffickers who he was investigating in Mexico. He was trying to keep drugs off our streets and was murdered because of it. After his death, people wanted to honor his sacrifice. Local celebrations began in California in 1985, where Camarena grew up. In 1988, the National Family Partnership started the first National Red Ribbon Week.
So why the red ribbons, you ask? As a tribute to Kiki, during the initial local celebrations, his high school friend Henry Lozano and Congressman Duncan Hunter created Camarena clubs, and the wearing of a red ribbon was introduced to show their oppositions to drugs. Current estimates show that more than 80 million people participate in Red Ribbon Week events each year, and participation continues to rise.
However, drug use is still continuing to rise. I researched some recent statistics in Orange County. Compiled in collaboration with the Orange County Sheriff Coroner Division, a report found that overall rate of drug and alcohol overdose deaths in the county increased by 82% since the year 2000. Drug and alcohol overdoses, or poisonings, resulted in over 5,500 hospitalizations and nearly 700 deaths among Orange County residents each year. There were nearly 70,000 hospital bed days with an average stay length of 4.3 days, which resulted in approximately $430 million in total charges. Nearly 8 in 10 overdose deaths were accidental, and nearly half of those unintentional deaths were due to prescription medications. Prescription drug use is an epidemic in the world we live in today. Over half of all opioid-related overdoses were due to prescription opioids.
Although street drugs are often the emphasis of a Red Ribbon Week campaign, the dangers of abusing prescription drugs cannot be overlooked. These drugs are often left unsecured in people's residences. Abusing these prescription drugs accounts for 45% of deaths that are due to overdoses every year. In comparison, all street drugs combined make up 39% of the total overdose fatalities. It is common for people to have unsecured prescription drugs at home in their medicine cabinets. Did you know that the DEA has a National Prescription Drug Take-Back Day where you can turn in your unused prescription drugs? The last Take-Back Day in April of 2019 brought in 937,443 pounds of unused or expired prescription medication. That's 468.72 tons. The DEA also accepts electronic vaping devices and cartridges due to the vaping epidemic we are facing today. For more information and to find drop-off sites, you can visit the DEA's official Take Back Day website. We arrest people almost every day for abusing drugs or because of previous drug use. We see what it does to people. We see their entire lives change in a very short period of time. Don't let it catch you. Don't let it control you. That's why all our participation is so important and very much appreciated. Now, in support of Red Ribbon Week and remembrance of our hero, Kiki Camarena, I'd like to introduce to you La Palma Police Corporal Ron Lapino, who is a drone pilot at our department. Corporal Lapino has attached a long red ribbon to his drone and will be flying the ribbon high around our city in support of a drug-free La Palma. Thank you all for your time.
Be kind,
be safe, and be drug-free.